Hello everyone, my name is Karen and welcome to my tour of the Alumni Music Festival on Social Tables. To start, I'm going to start from the bottom of my diagram. So this is the entrance down here to the music festival. On the left hand side we have a will call and ticket booth. And then on the right hand side we have some porta potties and then an emergency medical tent. Up along the left side, we have all of our tents for food and beverage. We have tater tots, craft beverages, mozzarella sticks, beer, barbecue tent, chicken fingers tent, and then a beer and wine tent. In the middle, here we have a lot of our merchandise tents, as well as some more alcohol and some fun ones. So we have merchandise at the top here, alcohol, a caricaturist, beer, face painting, another merchandise tent, a craft tent, and a balloon animal tent. Along the right side, we have another liquor tent, a tent for churros, more merchandise, wine, hot dogs, Chinese food, tacos, liquor, craft beverages. Up at the top, right before the seats start, we have some more tents for buffalo chicken, more merchandise, and pizza. Along the sides we have entrances and exits as well, and porta potties scattered throughout. Right before we get to the seating, there's a big security tent as well as a volunteer coordinator center. There's more entrance and exits before the actual stage. Over here I have about 300 seats. I think it's a little over 308, as well as porta potties along the sides, and speakers as well as hanging lights in the seats. Now, in front of that, we have the stage, along with speakers, microphones, and lighting all on the stage. On the left-hand side, we have an AV area, complete with all of the equipment needed. Above that, a glam booth to help the bands get ready to go on stage, as well as porta potties for them to use. A VIP Meet the Bands area, which is kind of like a lounge area with an autograph table, food and beverage. And then finally down here, a band waiting area. So overall, this is my floor plan for the Alumni Music Festival. Thank you.